Good day, my name is Willem Michael Prys and I am from South Africa. I am a highly experienced agricultural professional with more than 25 years of experience in commercial farming, dairy production, livestock management, poultry farming, crop production, irrigation systems, and general farm operations. Throughout my career, I have managed large-scale farming operations involving cattle, sheep, poultry, dairy herds, vegetable production, and crop farming. I have hands-on experience with irrigation systems, livestock feeding, machinery operation, infrastructure maintenance, harvesting, and supervising farm workers. I am a hard-working, reliable, and physically fit person who is comfortable working long hours in demanding agricultural environments. I work well independently and as part of a team, and I always aim to maintain high standards of productivity, safety, and professionalism. I enjoy practical farming work and take pride in helping farming operations run efficiently and successfully. I am eager to bring my agricultural skills, experience, and strong work ethic to an H2A farming opportunity in the United States. I believe my years of experience, adaptability, and commitment to agriculture would make me a value addition to your farming operation. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch my introduction video. I look forward to the opportunity to work with you. Kind regards, Willem Michael Prys.